Hi everyone, it's Daniel J. Hogan, and I'm back with another art supply review. This time I'm looking at the Zebra Mildliner Mix series. I just got these today from my local art supply shop, Odd Nod Art Supply here in Lansing. I'm a big fan of the Mildliners in general. I use them a lot for like journaling and stuff, and they're really nice. I like the subdued tones that they have, and they're really fun colors. So I'm gonna crack these open and try them out for the first time on camera. I've actually never used these, but so here's a quick thing on the back. So it's got the usual chisel tip, and then it's got other stuff, I guess. we'll figure, see how this goes. I've never used these, but they looked fun. Oh, they're running away from me. Okay, so we'll try this one first here. It's like a teal and blue. Does it actually say lavender and summer green? I always enjoy their color names. Whoa. Okay. Interesting. It's got like a mechanism here. I wonder if this is like a Posca pen where you gotta... Oh, let's read the directions. To engage ink, press nib on test paper 20 to 30 seconds. Check for ink flow on nib. Go create. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, there we go. All right. Wow. These are fun. Okay, so it's not double-sided like the normal Zebra Mildliners are, which they have like a highlighter chisel on one side and like a fine point on the other. But wow, yeah, these are fun. Okay, that definitely looks cool. Neat. Yeah, these are really neat. Neat. That's fun. Hopefully that color difference is showing up okay on camera. Yeah, it says right there, single-ended. Okay. They're called Mildliners in difference to highlighters because it's supposed to be more like a subdued, ink, which I do like. It is nice. Yeah, so let's try another. Let's try all these. So that's that one. These are fun. I'm glad I picked these up. These are neat. So you can see here when you first get it, the nib is just clear, and then it's got this little activator thing. So that's when you push it down, that's what gets the ink flowing to the nib. Fun. This is one of those things, like, depending how you angle it, you'll see, certain colors more or whatever, but I doubt I can get a good shot of this, but that's what the nib looks like. So it looks like one color. It's not an even split between the color on the nib. It might look like that on camera, but up close well, maybe it is kind of even. I don't know. I can't tell, but it definitely looks like and this one, like the pink there's more of it, and there's a slight bit of the purple there. Again, it just matters on how you use it. But yeah, these are really fun. So this color is lavender and fuchsia. Okay, we'll do this last one here. This is fuchsia and pink. Which, yeah, I guess those are both fuchsia. So there you go. And this is, yeah, lavender. Yep, okay. They had more like red, yellow colors by opted for these because I thought they were more interesting. And they were $8.29 US at the store. Neat. These are fun. I like these. Cool. Yeah, so if you're looking for to spice up your marker game, go check out these Zebra Mildliner mixes. So they combine 2 colors of ink. And as you can see, they kind of separate a bit on the paper. Let's see if I can get a little better angle there. But they're fun. I'm glad I picked these up. These are neat. It's a neat way to play around with highlighters. So it says here it's water-based ink. It's water resistant and doesn't bleed through most surfaces. I guess we'll have to see about that. But I guess if you were going to use it with watercolor, just let it dry for a bit. But let's see how it works with. It works fine with pencil. All right. Cool. So yeah, these are the Zebra Mildliner mix type. So go check those out. These are fun. I'm looking forward to doing stuff with these in the near future. So anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to swing by one of my live streams if you can. They're Sundays and Wednesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern, unless they're not. Life happens. Sometimes I have to cancel. But Sundays I try to reserve for art stuff, and then Wednesdays I try to save for gaming. But both of those are subject to change depending on my mood. So yeah, I hope you can make it, and thanks for watching, and I'll be back again with another short art supply review.